Did you know that your voice could be the next goldmine? In today's video, we're diving into the lucrative world of voiceover and audio services. Discover how your vocal cords, combined with some strategic methods, can fill your pockets. But let's not spill all the beans just yet. Stick around until the end, because we'll be revealing exclusive tips that could escalate your earnings and set you apart in the industry. The demand for voiceover talents has skyrocketed in recent years. From animated movies, commercials, to digital assistants, and even e-learning platforms, opportunities are everywhere. Let's begin our journey. Training and perfecting your craft. It's not just about having a good voice, but knowing how to use it. Undertake professional courses to understand voice modulation, accent training, and tone variety. Like any other profession, it demands dedication, practice, and knowledge. Here's how to delve deep and polish your voiceover skills. Understanding the basics. Voice modulation. This is the ability to alter your voice's pitch, tone, or pace to suit the content. It's what differentiates a robotic read from a dynamic and engaging narration. Diction and clarity. Every word must be clear and understandable. This involves perfecting your pronunciation and emphasizing the right syllables. Breath control. Proper breathing techniques ensure you can hold longer sentences without awkward pauses and convey emotions without gasping for air. Voiceover workshops. Many cities offer voiceover workshops where industry professionals give insights into the business's nitty-gritty. This hands-on approach is invaluable for newcomers. Some workshops are also specialized. For example, some might focus only on animation, while others might delve into audiobook narration. Online courses. Platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and Skillshare offer courses on voiceover techniques. They are great for beginners and those who can't attend physical workshops. They cover a range of topics, from the basics of voice acting to the intricacies of setting up a home studio. Coaches. Consider hiring a voiceover coach. They provide one-on-one training sessions, personalized feedback, and can guide you on industry standards, helping refine your unique sound. A coach can also help you prepare your demo reel, ensuring it showcases your range and talent effectively. Practice, practice, practice. Like any other skill, the more you practice voiceovers, the better you'll get. Read out loud daily from books, magazines, or scripts. Try to mimic voices or accents you hear on TV or radio. Record yourself. Play it back and critique. This self-review process helps in recognizing areas that need improvement. Feedback loop. Share your recordings with friends, family, or online voiceover communities. Constructive criticism can give you insights that you might have missed. Online platforms like Reddit have active voiceover communities where members share their work and get feedback. Staying updated. The voiceover world, like all industries, evolves. New trends emerge, and old techniques become obsolete. Stay updated by following voiceover blogs, attending webinars, and joining voiceover forums. Perfecting your craft in voiceovers is a continuous journey. The industry respects talent, dedication, and professionalism. As you refine your skills and gather experience, you'll find a noticeable improvement in your performance, leading to more opportunities and success in the field. The right equipment matters. Your workstation needs to be top-notch. A soundproof room or booth, high-quality microphone, headphones, and editing software are essential. Remember, in this business, sound quality is everything. Let's delve into the significance of the right tools and the basics of what you need to produce top-tier work. Microphone type. Condenser microphones are preferred in the voiceover industry because of their sensitivity, clarity, and capacity to capture the full tonal quality of the voice. USB versus XLR. While USB mics are easier to set up and more affordable, XLR mics offer superior sound quality and are the industry standard. Popular picks. Neumann TLM-103, Sennheiser MKH-416, and Audio-Technica at 2020 are among the most recommended. Audio interface. If you're using an XLR microphone, you'll need an audio interface to connect your mic to your computer. It converts the analog signal from your microphone into a digital signal your software can use. Popular picks. Focusrite Scarlett 2i2, Presonus Audiobox, and Behringer UMC22 are renowned for their reliability and sound quality. Acoustic treatment. Sound booth. While not always feasible for everyone, a soundproof booth ensures external noises don't interrupt or degrade your recordings. Portable solutions. If a booth is out of your reach, Consider portable solutions like reflection filters or sound shields that wrap around your microphone. D. Thick blankets, bass traps, acoustic panels, and diffusers can be used to dampen sound in your recording space. Headphones. Opt for closed-back headphones to prevent sound leakage that could be picked up by the microphone while monitoring. Popular picks: Audio-Technica AT-HM50X, Beyerdynamic DT770 PRO, and Sony MDR7506 are industry favorites. Digital Audio Workstation, DAW. You'll need software to record, edit, and produce your voiceover work. Popular picks: Audacity, free and open source, Adobe Audition, and Reaper are widely used in the industry. Microphone accessories. Pop filter. This is vital for preventing plosive sounds, like P and B, from causing distortion. Mic stand. A sturdy stand allows hands-free recording and ensures the mic remains steady. Cables. Ensure you have high-quality XLR cables if using a non-USB microphone. Poor cables can introduce noise into your recordings. Backup solutions. Regularly back up your work. External hard drives, cloud storage, or NAS, network-attached storage solutions are essential. Maintaining your equipment. Dust and clean your equipment regularly. Invest in dust covers and storage solutions to prolong your equipment's lifespan. When stepping into voiceover and audio services, remember that while high-quality equipment can enhance your work, it's only one part of the equation. Your talent, skills, and dedication play an equal, if not more significant role. But as you progress and gain more clients, investing in better equipment becomes a worthy endeavor, setting you apart as a true professional in the industry. Showcasing your talent. In the voiceover and audio services realm, the saying, "show, don't tell," couldn't be truer. Potential clients or agencies want to hear what you can do, not just read about it. Here's how you can effectively showcase your talent. Demo reels. Variety. Create multiple demo reels for different genres like commercials, animations, video games, audiobooks, etc. Each genre has its nuances, and specialists in those areas will want to hear relevant samples. Duration. Keep them short, typically between 60 to 90 seconds. Showcase a range of emotions, tones, and paces. Professional production. Consider investing in a professionally produced demo reel, especially when you're just starting. It can make a world of difference in quality and impression. Personal website. Audio player. Ensure your website has an easy-to-use audio player for your demos. This way, visitors can quickly listen without needing to download files. Visual elements. Complement your voice samples with relevant visuals. For instance, an animation voiceover demo could be paired with cartoon visuals. Testimonials. Display client reviews and testimonials. They lend credibility to your work. Social media. Platform choice. Platforms like SoundCloud are great for audio uploads. Platforms like YouTube allow for combined audio-visual demos. Engagement. Engage with the voiceover community. Share tips, seek feedback, and stay updated with industry news. Voiceover directories. Profiles. Websites like voices.com, Voice123, or Backstage allow you to create profiles, upload demos, and apply for gigs. Consistency. Ensure your profiles across different directories are consistent in branding and content. Networking. Local opportunities. Attend local events, workshops, or groups centered around voice acting or the entertainment industry. Conferences. Consider larger events like Vo Atlanta or Voice Arts Awards. These offer invaluable networking opportunities and exposure. Continuous updates. Voiceover is a dynamic field. Update your demos as you gain more experience, skills, or when trends shift. Listen to current commercials, animations, and other media to understand prevailing voiceover styles. Collaboration projects. Engage in collaborative projects, like animation or indie game projects, which can both showcase your talent and add to your portfolio. Feedback loop. Seek feedback on your demos from mentors, peers, or even forums. Constructive criticism can help refine your showcase. Physical presence. Business cards with a QR code linked to your demos can be a valuable tool during in-person networking events. Explore niche opportunities. The world of voiceover isn't just about commercials or animations. Explore niches like medical narrations, e-learning modules, or guided meditation scripts. Then create specialized demos for these niches. Remember, In voiceover, your voice is your product. How you present it to the world makes a difference. Tailor your showcase to reflect your strengths, versatility, and unique qualities that set you apart in this competitive industry. And always keep improving and evolving. Navigating the marketplaces. Navigating online marketplaces is essential for anyone looking to break into or further their career in voiceover. These platforms can provide a steady stream of job opportunities, but they can also be overwhelming if you don't know how to use them effectively. Here's a guide to help you traverse these marketplaces with confidence. Choosing the right platform. There are several voiceover marketplaces out there, including Voices.com, Voice 123, and Bodalgo. It's essential to pick platforms that align with your goals, specialty, and level of expertise. Some platforms cater specifically to certain niches. For instance, ACX specializes in audiobooks. Creating a strong profile. Your profile is your first impression. Use a professional photo, concise and compelling bio, and list out any training or notable projects. Keep your profile updated. As you complete projects or undergo further training, make sure it's reflected. Uploading high-quality demos. Use clear, crisp recordings free from background noise. As discussed previously, consider having different demos for various niches or styles. Regularly update your demos, especially as your skills improve. Setting competitive rates. Marketplaces often have rate sheets or suggestions. It's a good starting point. Remember, while you don't want to undersell yourself, being too pricey when you're just starting can deter potential clients. Adjust as you gain more experience and establish yourself. Reading job descriptions carefully. Not every job will be right for you. Ensure you meet the client's requirements before applying. Tailor your proposal or cover letter to each job. Avoid generic responses. Building relationships. While online platforms are transactional, building relationships with clients can lead to repeat business. Always maintain professionalism, meet deadlines, and be open to feedback. Managing auditions. Some platforms operate on an audition basis. This means you'll read a sample script, and if the client likes your style, you'll get the job. Ensure your auditions are of high quality. They are a reflection of your final product. Understanding platform fees. Most platforms take a commission. Understand these fees before setting your rates. Some platforms offer subscription models that, in return, might offer lower commission rates or more visibility. Staying active and engaged. Some platforms prioritize profiles based on activity. Regularly check for jobs, participate in auditions, and engage with the platform. Join forums or community sections if the platform offers them. Engage with fellow voiceover artists and share experiences. Handling feedback and reviews. Feedback is invaluable. Positive reviews boost your profile visibility and appeal, while constructive criticism helps you grow. Aim for excellent client service to garner positive reviews. If you encounter a negative review, address it professionally. Continuous learning and adaptation. Voiceover trends can change, and each platform may evolve its algorithms or features. Stay adaptable and be willing to learn to navigate these shifts. Online voiceover marketplaces democratize the industry, allowing talents from anywhere to be part of global projects. While competition is fierce, with perseverance, continuous improvement, and smart navigation, you can carve out a successful career in this exciting domain. Specialization. In an industry as vast and varied as voiceover and audio services, specialization can be your ticket to standing out and commanding higher rates. Instead of being a jack of all trades, mastering a specific niche can position you as the go-to expert. Here's a deeper dive into the concept of specialization. Benefits of specialization. Expert status. Clients prefer specialists for specific projects. A specialist is perceived as an expert, leading to increased trust and potentially higher rates. Reduced competition. By specializing, you reduce the pool of competitors vying for the same job. Refined skill set. Focusing on a specific niche allows for a deeper understanding and refinement of the required skills. Finding your niche. Assess your strengths. Start by evaluating what you're naturally good at. Maybe you have a knack for mimicking accents or a voice that's perfect for animated characters. Market demand. While passion is essential, there also needs to be demand. Research which voiceover niches are in demand and align with your strengths. Personal interest. Passion can drive excellence. If you're genuinely interested in, say, documentary narration, you're more likely to invest time and effort into becoming the best. Popular specialization areas: animation and gaming, bringing characters to life in video games, animated shows, or movies. Commercial voiceovers. These are voices behind advertisements on TV, radio, and online platforms. Narration. This can include documentaries, corporate presentations, or explainer videos. Audiobooks. Narrating books for platforms like Audible or other audiobook platforms. E-learning. With the surge in online learning, there's a growing demand for voiceovers for educational content. IVR and telephony. These are the voices you hear on phone systems, voicemails, and automated responses. Developing expertise. Training. While you may have a natural aptitude, specialized training can refine your skills. Look for courses specifically tailored to your niche. Practice. Consistent practice is vital. Use scripts related to your niche to practice regularly. Feedback. Get feedback from experts in your chosen niche. They can provide insights you might have missed. Building a specialized portfolio. Tailored demos. Your demo reel should prominently feature work related to your specialization. Showcase range. Even within a niche, showcase a range. For instance, if you specialize in animation, have samples showcasing different character types. Networking. Industry events. Attend conferences, workshops, and seminars related to your specialization. This helps in both learning and networking. Online communities. Join forums or online groups specific to your niche. Engage in discussions, share your work, and seek feedback. Staying updated. Trends. Just like any other industry, trends in voiceover change. Stay updated with the latest in your niche. Continuous learning. Even after establishing yourself, never stop learning. New techniques, software, or styles may emerge that can refine your craft further. In conclusion, while generalization offers breadth, specialization provides depth. In the crowded world of voiceover and audio services, depth can make all the difference, allowing you to carve a unique space and be in high demand. Setting your price. When you're new, it might be tempting to undercharge. Don't. Research the market, understand your value, and set competitive prices. Over time, as your reputation grows, so will your rates. Building a personal brand. Apart from online platforms, consider building your website showcasing your portfolio. Use social media to promote your work and engage with potential clients. Continuous learning. Voiceover trends, like all industries, evolve. Stay updated with the latest in tech, software, and industry demands to always be one step ahead. If you found value in today's content, don't forget to subscribe for more money-making tips and tricks. Hit that like button, drop a comment below sharing your thoughts, and remember to turn on post notifications. And if you're looking for more ways to monetize your skills, check out our videos.